What is up, SB Gang? It's Gritty. And I want you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, and get this video 2,000 likes. And yeah. Today what we're going to be doing, as y'all can see by this title, is playing with my sons I just made. And by the way, I want you on my other channel with my sis. And the link will be in the description down below. Go follow Sisters FRL. I'll put the channel in the description down below. Yeah, this is pink bubblegum because it looks pink like bubblegum. This is green apple because it looks like green apples. First one I'm going to start with is, and don't really stick to my hands, but if it does throughout this video is because I just made it, but hopefully it doesn't. And this slime is very, 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 I'm gonna stop saying it now. Very, very stretchy. Next one is green apple. And again, I use food coloring. This is not cool. Like, for real. I've been working at this shop for the past 3 years. After Nightmare closed, I went back to Houston just to come back to this where you completely left out the loop. But they definitely moved on without me. And now we have this girl, Reese, and I've been here more than she's ever been here. I've been through a lot of with you guys, and this happens. Why the f is this new bitch have my booth, whatever, claiming it? Wait, excuse me? Did I hear bitch? Yes, you did. I didn't. anywhere around you. To be honest, I was thinking about going. I get it, you've been here longer than me. But girl, with all the drama going on with this Chicago Tribune article, you need to just chill out. We just lost 4. We don't have any reason to lose any more artists. Please stop the bullying. Just don't think there was no other possible combinations of people to balance out in the shot. Cobra Reese out of all people. Step up a second to a whole other level. I'm never in the bud right now. This is an easy fix, alright? Thank you. You can tattoo on 4 boots. That's fine. You can tattoo on my boot.
Well, I know I'm not playing with this green sun as long as I was playing with that one because I'm about to close out the video right here. Alright.
A simple solution. All we have to do is talk them down. You good with that? You not good with that? No, I'm not here. That's it. Fine, whatever. She can my bitch. Please answer the shot.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really tired. And again, like, comment, and subscribe.